Disruptions to normal business operations, while frustrating, are an ideal opportunity for change. Manufacturers are embracing the process of digital transformation to uproot failing processes and implementing key technologies to enable greater process optimization. Top-performing organizations have recognized the importance of leveraging technology to boost productivity in the factory and ultimately improve time to market, overall equipment effectiveness, and advanced innovation. Here are 3 steps that best-in-class manufacturers are taking to improve their process efficiency. Best-in-class manufacturers have expanded their collection and use of real-time data across all areas of the organization. Best-in-class companies are leveraging real-time visibility into manufacturing operations performance at the global level, quality and compliance data, the status of all processes and manufacturing data, and customer orders. With visibility into the performance at the global level, executives at best-in-class companies can quickly make adjustments to processes across the organization to adapt to today's changing business environment. They can even implement changes in one region to see how they affect performance before rolling out these changes to the entire organization. This visibility into real-time quality and compliance data allows manufacturers to catch defects early and prevent them from reaching later stages of production. A 360-degree solution for quality ensures a greater number of products meet quality targets, which contributes to greater profitability by reducing the cost of non-quality and improving customer satisfaction. Comprehensive visualization tools reduce the time spent searching for information and allow manufacturing leaders to focus on production. Plant managers and production supervisors, with applicable metrics at their fingertips to identify decreases in performance, can address production issues before performance levels drop too low. Industry-rich metrics also ultimately improve productivity by tailoring the data to fit the needs of the organization. Combining comprehensive data management capabilities with a centralized repository for storing and accessing manufacturing data has aided best-in-class companies in achieving 1.4 times greater reductions in time to decision over the past year compared to their competitors. Greater visibility contributes to the organization's ability to respond to real-time manufacturing events. Systems that enable control over the entire data collection, organization, and analysis process help companies monitor external and internal processes. Manufacturing leaders can then quickly detect and react to disruptions on the factory floor, changes in demand, and roadblocks in the supply chain without slowing down production or sacrificing quality. With all of these capabilities in place, best-in-class companies are able to prevent and mitigate downtime events to optimize the manufacturing cycle and ensure that shipments are completed on time while minimizing operating costs. Innovation and competition are the most prevalent market pressures affecting manufacturers today, and technology enablers are critical for keeping pace. But digital transformation doesn't stop after implementation. Manufacturers need to be constantly looking for areas to reduce costs, promote innovation, and improve time to market. Leveraging real-time visibility and data management capabilities across the enterprise empowers leaders to make data-driven decisions and maximize process efficiency, ultimately improving organizational performance and overall business success. To learn more, read the full report. Process Optimization in Manufacturing, the key to best-in-class success.